I'm gonna show you how easy it is to grow your own mint. So this right here is one of our lemon balm plants that we grew from seed. And this stuff smells amazing. So if you know somebody growing some mint, all you have to do is take a piece of their plant, take some of this stuff off, clean it up a little bit. It should look like this when you're done. Now all we have to do is get a cup, fill it up with water, and put our cuttings in there. 5 days later, you'll have free lemon balm plants. Look at the roots. That easy.